Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you structure of an atom. Let's start the topic. The structure of an atom. The word atom, it comes from a Greek word meaning atoms, which mean indivisible. First time John Dalton has been described the structure of an atom in 1803. On that time, it was considered that atom cannot be divided, but this concept was proved wrong. Now, first of all, we define what is an atom. As John Dalton has used the word atom, according to John Dalton, atom is everything is made up of smallest particle called atom. So, by definition, atom is the smallest particle of an element. Now, the question is, what is an element? Element is the simplest chemical substance that cannot be simplified further. We have different types of the chemical substances, element, compound, mixture, and the element is the simplest chemical substance that cannot be simplified more. It means it cannot be simplified, it cannot be further simplified. That's why it cannot be further simplified, because it is made up of same kind of atoms. We have number of examples of elements all around us. For example, oxygen, iron, gold, copper, hydrogen, magnesium, zinc, silver, etc. Now let's see structure of the atom. As atom has been divided into two parts. Atom contains two parts. One is called nucleus and the second is called shell or the orbit. The central heaviest part is called nucleus. About 99.9% is the mass of an atom is due to this nucleus. And the second part, that is the outer part of an atom, that is called shell, orbit, or energy level. The number of the particles, there are number of particles which are present inside the atom. The basic particles which are present inside the atom, these are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electron, proton, and the neutrons, they are called basic particles of an atom, or they are also known as fundamental particles of an atom, because they are present in all elements except hydrogen. Hydrogen is the only atom that cannot contain neutron. Now, these basic particles, where are they present? Electrons, they are present in the shell. They are continuously revolving around the nucleus, and it carry negative charge on it. Proton, they are present inside the nucleus and they have positive charge on them. Neutrons, they are also present inside the nucleus and they have no charge on them. Diagrammatically, we can represent atom along with its nucleus, like atom is represented in this way. So now these blue and red circles, they are called shells, and inside the shells electrons are present. These crosses, they shows the presence of the shell. And the proton, the neutron, they are present inside the nucleus. This black circle is representing the nucleus, and basically this atom is the carbon atom, as I have written C for carbon inside the nucleus. Now, mass and charges of the particles. These protons, they are represented by a symbol small p, neutrons by small n, and electrons by small e. The mass of the proton is 1, and the neutron is 1, and the electron, it is considered as a lightest particle because its mass is the 1837 part of the mass of one proton, and the charges on them, the proton carry 1 plus charge, neutrons carry no charge, and electrons carry 1 minus charge. So it's all about the mass and the charges of the particles and the structure of an atom. I hope you people find this topic very simple. Subscribe my channel for more simple videos.